Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Balmer Lorry, a top dividend stock which has not performed over the last many months. So let's understand about the business and let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Balmain Lorry, his small request that can you support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on short-term, long-term market call. And you can ask me queries on a daily basis. And if you pay $100 upfront, that means you pay for 10 months and you get a 1 year access, so that's a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company. Established in 1867, Balmain Lorry focuses on logistics services across India for more than a century. One of the largest and reputed listed player in the space, and the market cap of the company is 2100 crores. It has been a market leader in this space with global presence through subsidiaries, so it has been doing extremely well in this logistics space over the years, but has faced challenges in the last 2 3 years with the pandemic around. These are Q4 FY21 numbers versus FY20. So these are the financial sales went up by around 45%. And you look at the profit grew by around 60%. So the numbers look very strong. It's a low debt company. ROE of 20%, operating profit margin of 20% is the best in this industry. There is high institutional holding plus very good dividend yield is provided by Balmer Lorry. If you look at the performance, stock has been a huge underperformer over the years. So the sharp fall was post the Feb 2020 move, and the fall was around 50%. Numbers have been improving, and although there has been a recovery of over 50% from the March lows, but it has been nothing compared to other companies which have gone up 5, 6, 8, 10 times. So this stock has gone up 50% from the lows, but has been going down just recently in the last couple of weeks as well. So it hasn't been a magnificent performer as it should have been. So there is valuation comfort while you invest into this company. Have been a steady stock for years and can give you decent 14, 16, 17% CAGR returns. And add to that, you'll have the comfort of the dividend as well. So why the stock has been under stress all these whiles? Well, heavy pressure due to current situation, the pandemic that we are seeing. So the business has not been that robust. Apart from the last quarter, it hasn't been going very well. Economic turmoil over the last 2 years have also hurt. So over the last 2 3 years, what has happened from 2018 onwards is that economically India has not done that well as they've done in the past. So before the pandemic also the economy wasn't doing that great, and now it is in even more distress. So that is one of the biggest reasons for logistics companies not to do well. It needs a economic push, and you can say GDP growth to be pretty good for logistic companies to really do well. Prospect of things not normalizing for few quarters also meant that companies like Balmer and in other sectors which are directly related to economies opening up, they didn't do well. So that's why Balmer, nobody looked at buying into the company, because the next year and a half looked very difficult. But now it seems that in the next 6 to 12 months things will normalize. So there could be buying coming in the next few months. That is a possibility, that is a very distinct possibility. Coming to the competition part, then we see that competition from unlisted and unorganized sectors is growing up, especially in this courier and you can say packaging services. So things could be tough for the next 6 months. I would say in 12 months things will get very much normalized, but in the next 6 months things could be extremely difficult. And that is probably why the stock hasn't been, you can say, rocking as other sectors have been. but it's a good very long term play, a portfolio kind of a stock in which you can invest and you can get good dividends as well in the long run. So what needs to be done? Avoid for the time being. I won't say that you go ahead and buy and this is one stock that you really want to buy on dips, but keep track of numbers. If things really get going and the bottom line improves appreciably, go ahead and buy. And also, if you believe in the India growth story and things to normalize, I think this will do well once things get much better. So probably there is still time to really buy big into this stock. So this was my video on Barbell Lorry. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.